Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by preparing power and connectivity. Charge the Barracuda X for 1 to 2 hours so battery calibration begins. The LED shows status. Next, find the USB-C dongle and decide whether you'll use a USB adapter or direct USB-C port. Plug the dongle into the host device. Once done, hold the headset power button until the LED pulses. This wakes pairing mode. Make sure your host is awake and set to accept USB audio devices. Otherwise, pairing won't proceed. You'll complete pairing and configure audio next. With the dongle inserted fully, the headset and dongle auto-pair within 3 to 5 seconds. Watch for a steady LED to confirm. Now open your system's sound settings and select Barracuda X as both input and output device. This routes game and chat audio correctly. Then fine-tune physical controls. Adjust headset volume, check mic mute, and set side tone so you hear yourself without feedback. These steps prevent echo and ensure clear voice communication during use. You finish by updating firmware and validating performance. Install Razer software if you want firmware updates, mic equalization, and custom profiles. This step improves stability and audio quality. Then run a quick voice chat and game audio test, positioning the mic about 1/2 inch from your mouth for clear capture. If audio or pairing fails, try basic troubleshooting. Reseat the dongle, reboot the host, power cycle the headset, or perform a pairing reset. These actions resolve most connectivity or driver conflicts.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.